أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا.
Welcome BrightBoxAI Arabic Academy.
Lesson number 6: How to use the okay in local Arabic sentences. Okay, all right.
طيب.
Come tomorrow.
تعال بكرة.
Okay.
طيب.
Okay, enough, got it.
خلاص.
Don't continue, I got it.
لا تستمر، فهمت.
Okay.
خلاص.
It's fine, it'll do.
يمشي.
Do you like this color?
هذا اللون عاجبك.
Yeah, it's okay.
إيه، يمشي.
It's fine, no problem.
عادي.
Sorry I'm late.
أنا آسف، تأخرت.
It's okay, don't worry.
عادي، ولا يهمك.
Okay, if God wills.
إن شاء الله.
Will you come with me tomorrow?
تجي معي بكرة.
Okay, if God wills.
إن شاء الله.